Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to NASA News Network. I'm your host today. We have some surprising news from NASA's latest sea level rise measurements that will make you rethink what we thought we knew about our oceans. In 2024, global warming continued its relentless march, causing Earth's glaciers to melt at an unprecedented rate. But it wasn't just the ice that was doing the heavy lifting. According to NASA oceanographer Josh Willis, the rise we saw in 2024 was higher than we expected. That's right, folks. Sea level rose by 0.59 cm, or nearly half a centimeter more than NASA predicted just last year. Now, for years, scientists had been warning us about the dangers of climate change and its impact on our oceans. But what's surprising is that the rate of rise isn't slowing down, it's actually getting faster. Every year is a little bit different, but one thing is clear. The ocean continues to rise, and we're running out of time to do something about it. So how did this happen? Well, researchers had long suspected that there were feedback loops at play that could accelerate sea level rise beyond our predictions. And now, we may be witnessing the results. In 2024, 2/3 of sea level rise was caused by thermal expansion of liquid seawater, not melting glaciers. It's simple math. Warmer water is less dense than cold water, so it takes up more room. As a result, our oceans are expanding at an alarming rate. But that's not all. Oceans mostly arrange themselves into neat layers of different temperatures, with the warmest, least dense waters at the top. However, increased heat energy in our atmosphere is fueling more storms and faster winds to thoroughly mix these layers, sending more heat into lower layers even faster. This means that some areas of the ocean are heating up 2 to 3 times more than the global average. The consequences are devastating. Marine heat waves are slaughtering billions of sea creatures and devastating fisheries that depend on them. And as our oceans continue to rise, they're also causing increased flooding and inundating major rivers like the Ganges with saltwater. This is leading to a dramatic decline in freshwater resources, and it could eventually force entire populations to migrate in search of this vital resource. Now I know what you're thinking. What can we do? The answer is simple: reduce our greenhouse gas emissions. Every fraction of a degree we can prevent future warming will save lives. At NASA News Network, we're committed to bringing you the latest news and updates on climate change and its impact on our planet. That's all for today's report from NASA News Network. Stay tuned for more updates as this story continues to unfold.